These patterns are not only stylish, but also beginner friendly. As always, links to these patterns can be found in the description box below. So grab your hooks and let's get started. First up, we have the Tourmaline Wrap by Two of Wands. This wrap is made with 24/7 cotton yarn, which is perfect for warm weather. The pattern is elegant yet simple, making it a great project for both beginners and experienced crocheters. Plus, the cotton yarn gives it a nice drape and feel. Next, we have the Seaside Shawl and Sun Hat by Originally Lovely. This pattern set is perfect for a day at the beach or a casual summer outing. Made with 24/7 cotton yarn, both the shawl and the hat are lightweight and breathable. I absolutely adore how the shawl drapes beautifully over the shoulders and the matching hat is just a cherry on top. Moving on, there's the Boho Crochet Wrap by All About Me. This wrap uses LB Collection cotton bamboo yarn, which gives it a soft and luxurious feel. The boho style is perfect for adding a touch of flair to any outfit. It's one of those pieces that can easily become a staple in your wardrobe. I have to mention the beautiful Flower Power Scarf by Vanessa Knits. This pattern is a true showstopper with its intricate flower motif and delicate design. The scarf uses LB Collection cotton bamboo yarn, which is an absolute delight to work with. The blend of cotton and bamboo makes it soft and breathable, and perfect for year-round wear. I especially love how this yarn drapes. It has a lovely sheen with a stitch definition that's just fantastic, making the flower motif pop beautifully. Now let's talk about the Montego Shawl by TL Yarn Crafts. This shawl is made with True Blue yarn, which is incredibly soft and has a beautiful sheen. The Montego Shawl is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your summer outfits, and its intricate design might look complex, but it's actually quite beginner friendly. Up next, we have the stunning Throwback Wrap by One Dog Wolf. This pattern is not only beautiful, but also perfect for those breezy summer evenings. The Throwback Wrap uses LB Collection cotton bamboo yarn, which is an excellent choice for summer projects. This yarn is a blend of cotton and bamboo, making it super soft and breathable. Plus, it has a lovely drape, which is perfect for wraps. And the color choice the designer made with this pattern is absolutely perfect. Next, we have the Tillstone Triangle Wrap by Knits and Knots. This is another fantastic wrap pattern that's great for adding a touch of style to any summer outfit. The Tillstone Triangle Wrap is made with 24/7 cotton yarn, which is 100% cotton and perfect for summer. This yarn is durable, easy to care for, and comes with a variety of vibrant colors, making it ideal for creating a stunning summer wrap. Last but not least, we have the Lace Summer Wrap by Northern Loop. Also made with True Blue yarn, this wrap is light, airy, and perfect for those breezy summer days. The lace pattern adds a touch of sophistication, making it a great accessory for any occasion. So there you have it, 8 wraps to keep you cozy this spring. I hope you found some inspiration and are excited to start your next project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crochet and knit content. And let me know in the comments below which pattern you're most excited to try.